Guys, thank you for tuning in. So today's video is on the sponge guru. It does go against everything we say in the detailing world, but I've been told this is the bee's knees, so let's check it out. Open it up, maybe it up. We'll get in there in a sec.
Just showed everyone how special you are.
Right, so it comes in nice packaging. Lovely stuff. Right, so for part one we're going to show you how we get into the wheels using this product. It comes with the two big ones to get into the barrels, the little ones to get into your little bits, the sponge to get into the front grille, but we're going to do that on another video, and your tyre application dresser. So let's go. So sometimes it's hard to get right to the back of the wheel, so we're going to go in with these and have a go. You got to bring the camera forward a bit. It's getting all the dirt in the middle, and look at that, it's actually doing its job. So the people who are worried about getting their hands dirty, these are the perfect little tool for you. There we go. So now we're going to go in with the little pieces. Guys, thank you for getting so far in the video. Make sure you drop a subscribe for part 2. The sponge guru doing a bit. We're going to take the sponge guru to the interior on part 2, so stay tuned. So now that the tyre's been cleaned, the wheel's been cleaned and it's been dried, we're going to use the applicator that comes with it and waxing away HD tyre cream. Let's see. Right, so get a nice bit on your applicator, and nice and easy. So yeah, really nice and easy to use. Good result as well. See you on the next one. Right guys, nice one for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it comes in handy. I'm going to give a 5-star so far for part 1 of the sponge guru. Unfortunately the box didn't last, so it's going to be the last time you see this. Go drop a subscribe, see you on the next one.